The sun continues to shine on the world until my face and his. Hi, my name is Steven, and this my friend is Lunardico. He has been my best friend since elementary school until now. At first, I was a new student at school. When I introduced myself, he looked at me, and I was normal. Finished introducing myself, the teacher told me to sit next to him, and it turned out he was a new kid too. And we only differed by one day. After a few weeks, become closer and closer. One day, he invited me to his house. After I saw it, it turned out that his family was Chinese. I surprised and surprised. On Saturday morning, I come to school with an angry face because my father judged. Then he gave me smile and word to cheer me up. That I realized that he was good. After that, we continued our activities together. So, even though we were going through problems with sorrow and joy, we remain one and understand each other and things of feeling. Thank you.